How to add contacts app to the lock screen shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So after click on wallpaper and style, so click on lock screen. So after click on lock screen, so if you want to add contacts app to the lock screen shortcut, so click on shortcut and click on no app. And after click on no app, click on plus icon. So after click on this plus icon, scroll down and you will see contacts app is here. So click on contacts app. You will see contact app is add. So after the process, click on done. After click on done, you will see contact app is add on home lock screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add contacts app to lock screen shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.